Hi, I'm Rohina Anand Kira, and I'm the creative director of the interior store AA Living in Mumbai. So I'm just going to walk you all through how to completely revamp this absolutely empty, boring, white, blank space. So just stay tuned. So the most important thing for bare walls is actually just to inject it with art. No rules at all, just do what you love, add what you love, add a little gallery of a few small frames, add two similar frames, add one large frame, just put your personality out there through the art. It's really nice to have different levels of seating as well. So you have your rug where you can just relax and you can just lay down and chill. You can have your trunk as well, which you can sit on, or it can even double up as storage. And then you have your poof, which again becomes additional seating. So the easiest way to make your space look really comfy is just add like a nice throw and just add some lovely candles. The easiest way to inject personality into a space is through cushions, especially if it's like a neutral space. So either go in through like maybe a coat cushion, maybe just a pop of color. It really adds personality. So tents are really trending this season. I think anything Scandinavian or boho inspired is really just happening at the moment. String over some fairy lights onto it, throw in some cushions, light your candles. You just have yourself a really beautiful little magical nook. So basically what I've done for this look is I've switched up the paintings and I've put room divider screen instead, followed by a rattan chair as well. And then we've completely redone the side table by putting a little monstera plant, which is like really trending right now because of the whole tropical theme happening, and cactuses are not going anywhere. They've been trending for 2 years and I mean they're still going strong. Also jumble up some fairy lights, just add them into any glass container you have. It could be mason jars, it could be a prism like what I've used here, and some coffee table books that you get anywhere off the internet. They really add visual interest as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it was helpful to some of you all, and you all recreate these looks at home. So for more videos like these, stay tuned to Hauterfly.